A very good morning to you, Class 3 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, I welcome you again to the audiovisual class of Social Studies. As you all know that in our previous class, we have started our chapter number 5, that is our national symbols. Okay, children, and in this chapter, children, we read few topics, and these topics are our national flag, and national emblem. Now, children, our next topic is national anthem. Our national anthem is also our national symbol. As I explained you, our national symbols represent our values, our identities, and our culture. What we like to do, what are our eating habits, what are our culture, and to whom we belong. So, we will read about our next national symbol, that is national anthem. Now, children, most countries have a national anthem. It is sung on important occasion. It is just like a song. You can see that this is our national anthem. Jan Gan Man Adhinayak is our national anthem, and it is always sung on important occasions. Our national anthem Jan Gan Mana was written by the poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, children, he was a Bengali poet, and our national anthem was written by him. It is a song in praise of our motherland. Yes, children, this is a song which praise our motherland, which praise our country. So that is why on the important occasions we sung national anthem, and it is sung by Guru. It is written by a Bengali poet, Guru Dev Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children. Now, what we should remember about the national anthem, we must follow certain rules regarding our national anthem. Now, children, there are some rules which we have to follow when we are singing our national anthem. First is we must show respect to our national anthem. Yes, children, as we are Indians, we are the citizens of a particular country. So we should respect our national anthem because it is our pride. So we should respect our national anthem. We must learn it and sing it properly. Being the citizen of India, it is our moral duty that we should learn and sing it properly. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must stand at attention. Yes, children, you always have to stand in the attention position when you are singing or hearing the national anthem. And we must not talk or move while it is being sung. We must not talk or move while it is being sung. It is also taught in your school that when you are singing or hearing the national anthem, you always have to stand at attention position and you should not talk. Okay, children? So, our next national symbol is national animal. As we all know that the Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal and it represents grace, strength and power. It represents the grace, strength and the power of the people of the country. To protect tigers, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the government. Yes, children, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the government of India, and today tigers are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Now, children, our next topic is national bird. The peacock is our national bird. As we all know that peacock is our national bird, and it is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck. It has a beautiful long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. The peacock is found in almost all parts of India. Yes, children, we can see the peacocks in almost all parts of our country, and it is a symbol of beauty and grace. Yes, children, as peacock is a very beautiful bird, so that is why it represents the beauty and the grace of the country. Okay, children, now I can do it. You have to do this exercise in your book only. First is our national flag is rectangular or circular in shape. The answer is rectangular. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Number 2, the dash in our national flag is navy blue in color. The answer is Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra in our national flag is navy blue in color. Number 3, there are 4 tigers in our national emblem. It is true. Number 4, Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Yes, children, as we all know that Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. So first answer will be rectangular, second is Ashoka Chakra, third is true, and fourth is anthem. Okay, children? So let us revise what we read in this chapter till now. Children, we read about the national flag, that it is in rectangular shape and it has 3 color stripes, that is saffron, white and green. At the top there is a saffron color which represents courage and strength of the people of the country, especially of soldiers, how they are fighting with the enemies. White stands for truth and peace of the people of the country, and green stands for the prosperity. And in the white band there is a navy blue wheel, and it is called Ashoka Chakra, and it has 24 spokes which represent 24 hours in a day. And also, children, we read about the national emblem, that it is the seal of the government of the country, and it can be seen on the government papers, currency notes, and official letters. Okay, children, and it has 4 lions. At the particular time, you can be see only 3 lions, but one is not be visible to you, and all these 4 lions represents 4 directions, but in actual there are 4 lions, okay, and which represent 4 directions, and each separated by a V. And the base, at the base of the emblem, has a horse, a bull, an elephant, and a lion, and each of them is separated by a wheel. This is also called the lion capital of Ashoka. And at the bottom, the words Satyamev Jayate are written below the wheel. Yes, children, below the wheel, there are some words written, and which are Satyamev Jayate. It means truth alone win. And this emblem has been taken from Ashokan pillar, which is at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. Now, children, our national anthem, this is also our national symbol, and most of the countries have a national anthem, and it is always sung on important occasions. And it was written by a Bengali poet, and his name is Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children, and it is a song in praise of our motherland. Yes, children, national anthem of any country praise that particular country. That is why national anthem is sung on special government occasions. Children, here is the fact is also written about the national anthem, that it was first sung in 1911, and the playing or the singing time of our national anthem. Yes, children, if you will sing or play the national anthem, it will take 52 seconds. Now our next national symbol is national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. It represents grace, strength and power, because tiger is very strong animal. So it represents strength and power and also grace. To protect tiger, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the government. Today, tigers are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Now children, our next national symbol is national bird. The peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. The peacock is found in almost all parts of India, and it is a symbol of beauty and grace. And children, we did this book exercise also, and you have to do this exercise only in your book. So thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.